with Abba. We're going to do this simple, smart mackerel jollof, yes, or fish-based jollof, which is easy, quick to do, very tasty, very yummy, and very nutritious as well. And all you need is just two major ingredients, and you are good to go. So for this mackerel jollof, I begin by washing my rice. Yes, it's good to wash your rice because sometimes the handling, sometimes it's been at the shelves for long. It's always good to wash it, and that takes away the excess starch as well, because if there's too much starch in there, your jollof will be a bit sticky. If you want real grainy jollof, you always have to wash your rice properly. So yes, after washing my rice, I'm going to take it onto my burner and I'm going to add gravy, yes, which I already had in my freezer. Usually I would always recommend you do your gravy in batches and then you put it there. So I'm just mixing this up and then it's going in as well. Once my gravy goes in, I'm just going to add a bit of salt, and then I'm going to then proceed to add in my mackerel. So this is mackerel in tomato sauce. Yes, if you have just smoked fresh mackerel too, you can just flick it into it as well, because you really want the fish to cook with the rice so that it firms up and it doesn't become overly soft when you are eating it up, because as you're boiling with the rice, the heat is going to firm it up. And I'm mixing everything all together, and then I'm just going to leave this to actually come to a boil. Now this one there is good for the boys because we don't have time to cook so much. Yes, so that's going to go in. And the ladies too, you know, sometimes you just come back and you're in the haste to just clear the food cooking part and then have time for the other stuff. So this is a smart way to go, and I'm going to stir it in between to help it all mix together. Then finally, when it's this thick, then I'm going to then proceed to just cover it up with a cloth, and then I'll just make sure that it finishes cooking around this time on very low heat. That's the best way to actually get your jollof in good taste and good style and good texture. Yes, so cover it with low heat because jollof cooks with heat, and when you do it like this, you can get your rice everything 100% and get your kanzo not overly hard, not bent, but very enjoyable as well. I don't play with my kanzo. I make sure that the base of my pan doesn't get bent when I'm doing my kanzo as well. And this is your simple mackerel jollof. If you did like it, please do subscribe, do like, do share, and make sure till I see the next food moment, live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.